Media in Peace Building organized by Japan International Cooperation Agency has concluded in Juba. The objective of the program is to enhance the capacity of journalists in promoting peace and public awareness as the country prepares for elections this year. Dorwell wrote the story and voiced by Isaac Ludoro.
Japan International Cooperation Agency is supporting South Sudan in various fields. A 4-lecture program Professor Daisaku Higashi from Sophia University in Tokyo delivered to the staffs of South Sudan Broadcasting Corporation highlights the concern JICA has shown in building the capacity of the National Media House. In the lecture, Professor Daisaku Higashi shares his research findings with the SSBC staffs on experiences drawn from Afghanistan, Syria, South Sudan, and East Timor. Professor Higashi illustrates the role of the media in promoting public awareness and education.
So my hope is that my lectures will give some sense for the people in South Sudan Broadcasting Corporations about what kind of the TV programs or radio programs they can create or make to maintain the peace.
The program engaged the participants in reflecting on ways to address conflicts globally through dialogue to end human crisis.
It looks like the UN and the government they are in good terms of actually meeting the need for peace building in the country. Now my concern is how do they manage to reach the UN initiatives and the government concerns frameworks.
Professor Higashi provokes SSBC staffs to create opportunities for encouraging political dialogue despite the different.
I wanted to mention that South Sudanese broadcast corporations can promote inclusive political dialogue by different people with different ideas, so that even if they might have some disagreement on the policies, they can solve the conflict through the negotiation and the dialogues. And political leadership continue to have that attitude to solve the problem by the negotiation and the dialogue, they can maintain the peace.
SSBC has crucial role to play through TV and radio programs to support peace and public awareness and nation building, especially in the period leading to the general elections.
I think SSBC can create a lot of radio and TV program in which many people from all over the country can have a voice on nation building process and also electoral process, so that people can solve the problems without entering military conflict again.
Isaac Dori Emmanuel, SSBC News, Juba.
The East South Sudan Diocese of